Last week, the United States Supreme Court struck down the bump stock ban instituted by the ATF. For those living in Florida, does this now mean you can purchase a bump stock or maybe go scuba diving to recover that bump stock you lost in the boating accident? Well, be sure to stick around as the answer might surprise you. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Firearm Firm channel. For those that are joining us for the very first time today, I'm Attorney James Phillips, a former prosecutor and a practicing Second Amendment and self-defense attorney. Last week, the U.S. Supreme Court struck down the bump stock ban in Garland v. Cargill. Now, this was a huge victory, and it should provide the foundation for striking down other ATF rules created in excess of their statutory authority. For a quick breakdown of that decision, be sure to check out our video discussing the ruling by clicking on the link above or the link down below in the description section. Well, as you can imagine, since last week, we have been getting tons of comments, emails, and calls from those living in Florida wanting to know if they can now legally possess a bump stock. But before we answer this million-dollar question, be sure to show your support for the Second Amendment by clicking on that like button. And if you have not already done so, don't forget to subscribe to the Firearm Firm channel by clicking on that subscribe icon, which is located down in the bottom right-hand corner of this video. So the short answer to the question is no. If you live in or are visiting the Sunshine State, you cannot legally possess a bump stock in Florida. Now, it is true that if you live here in Florida and possess a bump stock, you are safe from federal prosecution. But the Supreme Court ruling does not protect you from being arrested and prosecuted by the state of Florida for violating Florida Statute 790.222, which is titled Bump Fire Stocks Prohibited. This statute makes it a third-degree felony punishable up to 5 years in prison for anyone who imports into this state or transfer, distribute, sell, keep for sale, offer for sale, possess, or give to another person a bump fire stock. Under this statute, a bump fire stock means a conversion kit, a tool, an accessory, or device used to alter the rate of fire of a firearm to mimic automatic weapon fire, or which is used to increase the rate of fire to a faster rate than is possible for a person to fire such semi-automatic firearm unassisted by a kit, a tool, an accessory, or device. So, unfortunately, we have a great federal victory, but here in Florida, you're just not going to be allowed to legally possess a bump stock at this time. If you are watching this video from another state, be sure to check your state law, because just like Florida, there may be a law that still prohibits you from possessing a bump stock, although the federal ban has been struck down. If you got any questions about this video or any other Second Amendment related question, be sure to leave those down in the comments section below, or you can email us directly at questions@thefirearmfirm.com. Until next time, stay armed and educated.